Hi, my name is Kingsley Palmer, Marketing Development Officer for H&L Agro, representing the Syngenta brand. Today, we are in the parish of St. Mary, and to be more specific, we are at JP Farms. We are here today to highlight the features and benefits of our new herbicide, Touchdown IQ. Touchdown IQ has two adjuvants. These adjuvants have specific functions. One allows the product, which is the active ingredient, which is glyphosate, to go through the entire plant tissue. Whenever it is applied, the other adjuvant allows the product to adhere to the plant tissue. It also has a unique soluble fertilizer in the form of potassium salt. It also is rainfast in that whenever this product is applied to the plants, once it dries, it becomes very effective as against other glyphosates which have sometimes 1 hour rainfast. The glyphosate in Touchdown has a higher percentage than most glyphosates on the market, in that it has 50% of the active ingredient. This, in conjunction with the potassium salt, allows the product to control a wide range of weeds.
At JP Farms, we did 2 applications. One application was done to achieve the 1% concentration, and another application was done to achieve the 2% concentration. Here in this area, we have a 1% application that was done. But what we can see, or what we analyzed, is that most of the weed spectrum has died, but we still have some amount that is still active. What we realized is that when we pull from the soil, we realized that some of the nuts were still alive at the 1% burn. But here over this side, we did the 2% control, or 2% application. When we analyzed this 2% application, it was superior. The efficacy of that application was superior to the 1%. What we realized is that we got at the 2%, the foliage, we got good foliage damage, and also the seeds deteriorated, or the seeds were detached from the foliage of this plant. Here, you're looking at a 3 weeks and 3 days old application, and you can notice the difference between the 2 sections that the different applications were done.
Some of the weed spectrum that we have proven Touchdown IQ to be very effective against are Guinea grass, wild Pangola, wild callaloo, whitehead, Spanish needle, foal-foot grass, and last but not least, nutgrass. Touchdown IQ can be used at different concentration. So the concentration is totally dependent on your weed spectrum. So for example, your wild callaloo, you could use a 1% concentration. As against nutgrass, which is described as one of the world's worst weed, then you increase the concentration to a 2% concentration.
Let us talk about the application rate for Touchdown IQ. For 15 liters, that is 4 gallons, to achieve the 1% concentration, we will have to put 150 ml to the 4 gallons of water. To achieve the 2% concentration, you will have to put 300 ml to the 4 gallons of water.
My name is Eichel Grant. I am the supervisor here at JP Tropical Foods, and today I want to tell you about the result of the Touchdown IQ from a previous test that we did 3 weeks and 3 days ago. Now, what I like about this particular chemical is that, for one, with previous chemical that I was using, I saw phytotoxicity in the foliar of the plant only. But with this chemical, with the Touchdown IQ, what I like is that with the nut, you get the foliar toxicity, you get the foliar burn, but you also get rid of the nut. What I also realized, based on the check from the field, I also realized that the nut was being damaged. It was being rotten, to be exact. So that's what I like from the 2% concentration. Also, with this particular field, as you can see, there is various different amount of weed. So you have not only the nut grass. So it shows tremendous result with other weed other than the nut grass, which is our main problem at this moment.